If you're hearing this, I'm about to describe you. You like to make people laugh, even if you are sad. There's someone out there you really miss, but you're not sure they miss you. You overthink everything before you go to sleep, but sleep is your way to escape the world. You are insecure about your body and voice. You are afraid to show your feelings to others because you think you'll be judged. You don't trust easily because when you have before, you've been hurt.
Now that was a lot of damage. Woo!